We made it to Friday! Hooray! All right. So again, we're still on week 2. We've done all these things, so that's why there's those check marks there, because we've done them all. This is still locked because we still need to do that, but this is open because we viewed that yesterday. We're just going to make sure we have that viewed. So these are the activities for today. So the first thing that we're going to do is there's that same retailing rubric if you need to look at it to help them review. They're going to watch this video. It's really silly. Just found it, but it's great. So they're going to watch that. They're going to log into Pearson Realize. Remember, just click this. You're going to sign in with your student's ID number, CSD, and then court CSD. It's in a new window, so you can just toggle back and forth. So if I forgot, decodable 23C. So go to classes. Decodable 23A is there. Let's see. We want to do decodable 23C. So go ahead and click on that. Here it is. Click on it again. Open it in a new window. I'm going to go ahead and read that. When I'm finished, I can exit it out. If I'd like to, I can turn it in, which is that corner button over there, or I can exit and turn in here. This will be more what your stuff looks like now with that Spanish in there. So you might have to toggle through to find the things. It looks like I assigned decodable 23C twice on accident. So as long as you do that once, you're fine. And then you could always click on it and turn it in to kind of get rid of that. But it is on there twice. So then after that, we'll take the quiz. It's going to ask you, did you watch the video? Yes, I did. Did you read decodable 23C? Yes. Did I retell it to another person? Yes or no? So then I'm going to go ahead and submit. Because I said yes to all those things, it'll let me go through next. Remember, if I didn't, I can always select to retake that and fix my answer so that way they do say yes. After that, we're going to write a letter. So this is a video going over my expectations of how to write a letter. So they're going to read How to Train Your Puppy, and then they're going to write a letter to Sam, which is our character in Bad Dog Dodger, and explain to him how to train his puppy. So again, you can always submit those 3 ways. You can write it down and then take a picture of it and submit it. You can type it in the text entry box, or you can record a video of you reading it. Remember, you always have to come up here to the submit assignment before this will pop up for you. So again, you can upload that there. You can click the text entry box, you can type it, and if you want to record, go ahead and press that and you'll be able to record. Don't forget to submit. Sam should tell his dog to sit. That's not better. But that'll work. So then after you submit, you can resubmit it if you need to, and then go ahead and click next. We've got our same math Nearpod. This one's a little bit trickier. So they're going to go into Pearson Realize first and watch explaining subtraction strategies video first. So again, you can just click on that Pearson Realize. You're going to go ahead and sign in. I'm already signed in, so it's right here. I go to classes, and I need to find that. So explaining subtraction strategies video. Click on it again. That's not it. All right, so I fixed that. I have the right video now. This is one. Just mark that as complete. That's the one that I had just done. If it doesn't bother you, don't worry about it. So you can just go ahead and turn that in. That'll be on all of yours to get rid of it, but it's going to be that explaining subtraction strategies, video, visual learning. So have your child click on this and then just watch it. It's 2 minutes. It's tricky to explain their thinking when they're doing subtraction, but that's what we're talking about for this. So they're going to watch that video first, and then they get to do the Nearpod. So if you clicked on that, so if it's expired, just go ahead and reload that. It'll pop back up. I can click on it. I can do the Nearpod just like normal. It's a little bit different than the other Nearpods, but that's for them to do, and they can go to the end on that. When they're finished, they can just click out of it. Then click over here, mark as done, and then click next. Again, we have our math review worksheet that's embedded here. When they're finished, they can just take that survey. They either say, yes, I did it, or no, I did not. It doesn't matter either way. Submit the quiz. And after that, they'll be done. So then it'll take you to the Brain Booster page, but that's everything. You're all set. Have a great weekend.